cream cake for Poppy's work.
No, we're not sending this to Poppy's work. Acting very chill for two reasons. One, because I have a little guest with me, Mia, my little 4-year-old, and aka Minnie. And also today's video is for a recipe that I've never tried before. This is one of those things that I'm just trying out because I saw a picture on Pinterest and I'm like, oh, that sounds cool. And the title, obviously, Lazy Ice Cream Cake. I was like, we're gonna do this the lazy way and we're gonna do a video in a chill, lazy mode. Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, so first off, what we have is we have cuties, and initially we were supposed to have 2 boxes of the Tofutti Cuties. No, this video is not sponsored by anyone, but we have 2 boxes of Tofutti Cuties.
Yeah.
But technically we have 12 cuties. Yeah, I just counted with my fingers. Yeah, I just did that. And then we also have a pint of Ben & Jerry's PB and cookies non-dairy ice cream, and then I also have about a cup and a half of crushed double stuffed Oreos. But you guys know I'm cheap, so they're not really Oreos, they're generic bootleg Oreos. All right, so hang on, you don't even know what we're doing yet. All right, let me get this, please. You can help me, but let me get this. You can have the spoon. Okay. All right. So the first thing that we're gonna do.
Love the ice cream.
You love the ice cream? Excellent. That's a great thing. All right. So the first thing that I'm thinking about doing, I'm not gonna be like, oh, I've done this before, because I haven't. I'm thinking about putting a layer of this ice cream, this Ben & Jerry's, which also have cookies. A layer of this on the bottom.
Ew.
And you guys know it is, or it could be very difficult, or at least in my area, it's really difficult to find vegan ice cream cake. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen vegan ice cream cake anywhere. So we're doing a layer of our Ben & Jerry's ice cream. It's actually, hang on. I actually left it out of the refrigerator for a few minutes just to get it like really like melty and creamy, so you can spread it a lot easier, because I figured that's what people do. I didn't look at any instructions. All I did was, you got that open? All I did was look at pictures, and I was like, oh, I want to do that. And the pictures that I saw, you just want to lay it down like this. Look, let me do one, and then you do that one. All right, and then I'm thinking about just laying the cuties right on top of that layer of ice cream. And that's going to serve as our base for our cake. Okay. And then I'm thinking probably like 3.5 cuties.
Mommy, we got 1 more cuties left.
Huh? So right here we're going to need to put another one. I think it fits in there, right?
Yeah.
Another one fits in there?
Yeah.
Ooh, I have an idea. How about if we put some of these Oreos on the side?
Ooh.
Put that in there. Put it. Good job. Ooh, don't squish it. All right, that's good. All right, so let's put some of the Oreos on the side. Just a little bit of Oreo. So we're going to put a little bit of Oreos on the side because there was a little bit of space left on the side. So, yep, all yucky, licky fingered. It's for us anyway, so. All right, so all licky fingered up. We're going to put a little bit, and on this side. We're going to put a little bit of Oreo on each side to fill up the corners. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
It's looking yummy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right, that's good.
Wait, a little bit more.
Sure. All right. Let's see. Don't squish it. Don't squish it. If you squish it, it's going to go all over the place. Okay. And next, we're going to do another layer. I actually thought, hang on. Let me, oops. I'm so sleepy, you guys. Can you tell? I got like sleepy eyes. I don't know why. I slept a long time. I'm just sleepy. No more. like you guys are like, oh, you should have the kids come out in videos more often with you. But it can get a little unpredictable. You guys hear trucks and sirens and all kinds of stuff always around here. But yeah, it can get a little unpredictable with these little kids. So, yes. Yep, you made a mess. I see. So, we're going to do another layer. And I think I want to keep a tiny layer for the top part. I should have probably had 2 Ben and Jerry's. Sure, please.
Please.
Thank you.
That's how I last time.
Huh? We have to save a little bit for the top. So, another layer of this guy here. Can you guys see what we're doing? Maybe. No, don't get too much. We need some for the top. It's okay. It's clean. Alright. So, another layer of this guy. It looks so good, but so messy at the same time. Alright, so you guys are seeing our food experiments as it's happening. No, wait. We're going to do some more Oreos. I'm thinking about doing a layer of Oreos here.
Yay!
Yeah, right? You want to spread it out?
Yeah.
Good idea. Teamwork
Teamwork.
makes the dream work.
Do we mix it around?
No, don't mix it around because then it's going to mix up and get all weird. Alright? Maybe we can press it down a tiny bit, right?
Maybe do it.
Tiny bit. Alright, and then we're going to take, I'm going to say 4 more. I think 4 more is good. 4 more of these little cuties and put them on top again. And that's going to be our second to last layer. I want chocolate filled cuties. And I think it would have been cool to get those, but I don't know why. I thought about it. There you go.
Yeah.
Right there. Also, by the way, this is like a...
Yeah.
Ooh, and we're going to have 4 left for us to eat. Yay! Alright, so maybe press it a tiny bit here to get them sort of like settled in. And then there's a little bit of this left, so what I'm going to do is, so it doesn't... Hang on. So it doesn't... the other side. So we don't use up like a ton of our ice cream. Let's like fill up the cracks with some Oreos. Oh, that's disgusting. Mia, that's not nice. Stop. She's so nasty. Alright. And then, last layer is some more Ben and Jerry's. Huh? Go wash your hands. Say bye.
No, wait, I'm coming back.
Yeah, but this is the last step. And then we're going to put it in the freezer. And then later, when we come back, we'll finish the video. Okay? But for now, say bye. Wait. I want to get this perfectly. Hang on. Oh, it's so gooey.
Let me do it. It's so cool.
Mia just wiped her hands on me, so I did it to her so she can understand why it's not a nice thing to do, and she got upset and stormed off. She's like, I'm leaving this place. She didn't say that, but she just, she walked away and she went upstairs. Alright, so, this is a hot mess. Everything here is a hot mess, so you're basically seeing the process of me recipe testing, recipe building, or whatever. So, here we have our lazy ice cream cake. We'll see if it turns out. Maybe tap it. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the freezer. I'm actually going to cover it up and put it in the freezer. And when it gets nice and firm, I'll take it out and show you guys what it looks like and see if it turned out well. Alright guys, so here's the moment of truth. It's actually been about 24 hours since I put this in the fridge because we went out for a run and then it was Jaden's last day, so we went hiking, his last day at school I should say, and we went hiking, so I kind of just left this in the fridge and we wanted to tap into it last night, but we were like, you know what, no, it's for a video, and yeah, so we were able to just hold off. So I don't really know what I'm doing. I haven't done this before, but I'm guessing that since I already scraped off the edges, all I'm doing now is just kind of like warming up the outside of it, like the bottom end, and maybe it'll just kind of like plop out. I'm hoping. Let's do a little more of scraping around the edges. Nope, it's definitely loosening up here. Okay, all right. So I have it here sideways, and I'm thinking that maybe having it sideways will help it kind of like come off even easier. I see it coming off. How the heck? Oh, parchment paper, you guys. If you do this, line it with parchment paper, it'll be so much easier to take off. But I have an idea. I'll be right back. So I just wet a napkin with like really hot water, and hopefully that will help the bottom from releasing. It'll help it release and hopefully fall into our plate, since I didn't do the whole parchment paper thing that I'm suggesting to you guys, because this is how the building or recipe testing process will come about. I would just be kind of like learning from my mistakes and telling you guys how to do it versus how not to do it. This would be how not to do it. Use a paper towel, not paper towel, what is it called? No. Use parchment paper. It's coming off. Woo! Yes! Bingo, you guys! Yes! Yay! How exciting! Alright, so what are we gonna do? Now we're gonna cut into it. Let's cut into the side here so you guys can see. I'm gonna cut into the little side here so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Oh, guys, check it out. It's so pretty. Yay, it works. So even though I didn't use the parchment paper, it still worked. It still looks awesome. You guys should definitely try this out. If you have like a birthday coming up and you want to do like an ice cream cake. This was probably, I want to say it was maybe like, it was less than 15 bucks because I didn't use a whole, actually no, this was 10 bucks altogether pretty much, because one of the boxes of cuties was 5 bucks, and then the only reason I used 2 is because some people had tapped into them. But so you only need 8 cuties, which is 1 box, and then I use 1 pint of Ben & Jerry's ice cream. You use any ice cream which you prefer. So this was about 10 bucks to make this ice cream cake. Obviously, if you would do it for like a party, you would do more, so you would do more, but cake in general gets expensive, and if you want to do ice cream cake and you want to do an awesome vegan ice cream cake, this is the way to go. Keep in mind, this is what I would do. I would do it like this. I would flip it before the party. I would stick it in the freezer so that it can actually get more like firm like this in this form or in this state once it's flipped, and then only take it out of the freezer once it's ready because I noticed that vegan ice cream melts a lot faster, especially the cutie. Alright, so there you have it, you guys. The lazy vegan ice cream cake. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and actually, let me not point the knife at you. Actually, we should do a taste test, right? Taste test. So it's time for the taste test cam, and Mia is volunteering to have a taste. What's that like? Do you like it? Mm-hmm. You want some more? Mm-hmm. Or no, you don't want no more? You don't want any more? Mm-hmm. Oh, it's all for me. Mm-hmm. I'm just kidding. Of course you got more. Alright, you guys, so that is that. Let me know what you think about this little casual video, because I might do a few more of these like this here and there, not all the time, but here and there. It is summertime, so I feel like it's much easier to get videos done that are a little more casual like this, because we're constantly on the go, doing things and traveling and all this stuff. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. I love you all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you make this, let me know how it turned out. If you have any suggestions on making this, please let me know also, because it's the first time I tried it. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Love you. Bye.